Hi everybody, Ian from Promaze here with a new announcement, a new feature that we're excited to bring to you today. So we now have countdown timers available within our software. So what this means is you can put your countdown timer on your website, on your funnel, in your store, or even in your emails, and it will synchronize that countdown timer across the board on all those places to emphasize the urgency, to get people to take action, to either buy, purchase, or even the countdown timer towards an event. So how you're going to do that is you're going to come into your software, come across the marketing, then click up to countdown timers at the top here, and click new at the top right or new right in the middle if this is the first one you've created. So click new, and you're going to see a selection of templates on the left hand side. Simply take a look down them, see which ones work with your styling, just find one that you like, because we're going to edit it a little bit more first. So once you've selected one, you can see a preview of it in the middle and just continue with this template. What we then recommend you do is obviously update the name. It's called Untitled Countdown Timer right now. So change that to be XYZ sale or XYZ event, etc., etc. Whatever you're counting down to, change the title. Then you've got the option of it being a fixed timer, a recurring timer, or even a dynamic type timer coming soon. Select the actual timer end date, so we know what we're counting down to, whether it's a few days away, hours or minutes, and obviously the time zone, because that's important there as well. You can change the styling here to say whether it says days, hours, minutes, or seconds, and remove any of those. Change the fonts, change the colours, make it exactly how you want it to be, and what image is going to show once the countdown timer has gone. So maybe a big image that says you missed out, better luck next time, or check our events page, etc., etc. Once you've made these changes, amendments, click save, and you can use them in your emails, your websites, your funnels, and in your store. So get creating these timers, use your urgency, and get more sales in your business. Have a great day.